Walking down the street, got my guitar strapped to my back. I'm headed to South Beach, cause that's the place where I sleep at. Surfing all day long, yeah, and now we're gonna sing some songs as it goes on and on, something like this. Jump in and let go, jump in and follow. I know you want to come along. Jump on in, jump on in, jump on in. Right, jump on in until the sun goes down. There's a big beach in Maui and Oahu's got sandies. The North Shore's where the surfers going, all the tourists to check out the show. Malibu in Cali, Santa Monica, Orange County, South Beach, Martha's Vineyard. It's my backyard, it's my backyard. Jump in and let go, jump in and follow. I know you want to come along. Jump on in, jump on in, jump on in. Right, jump on in until the sun goes down. Opening my eyes in time to see the sun rise again. Looking out to heaven, walking barefoot in the sand. I'm gonna step into the ocean saying,
that she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her head. She acts like summer and walks like rain, reminds me that there's a time to change. Since the return of her stay on the moon, she listens like spring and she talks like June. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star, one without a permanent scar, and then you missed me while you were looking for yourself out there? Now that she's back from that soul vacation, tracing her way through the constellation. She checks out Mozart while she does Chapo, reminds me that there's room to grow.
Makes me want to get naked, take a bath.